Just building on the earlier conversation, I'm from UNDP and based in Bangkok Regional Centre. And it's true that this climate change, the whole climate change issue debate, gives us opportunities. I fully agree with that, to do the right thing and doing what we are supposed to be doing in protected areas. And that it's also true that in our work that we constantly face kind of perception. I think the problem, the barriers, which is caused by the perception that from perception by the non-conservation community that we are just trying to, push our agenda, so to speak, and doing the same thing, trying to get more money using the climate change debate. So I think what we need to also think about is what language and what arguments we can use to the non-conservation community to break that kind of barriers which break that kind of perception which create barrier for us. Thanks.
Well, thank you very much, and certainly a key element in bullet number 2 that we have up here. How do we communicate the whole benefits of protected areas to a community that may not recognize these benefits? Kathy?
Yes, thank you for that. It's really not so much a question of what can society do for protected areas, it's what are protected areas doing for you and what more could they do. And just in case anyone is interested, we've brought out a whole series of 4 pages on protected areas. Protected areas addressing climate change, investment certification, protected areas in the water supplies. And these are available on the IUCN WCPA website in multiple languages, or if anybody wants to give me a card, I'd be happy to send you the PDF. We would be delighted to see these downloaded, distributed elsewhere, translated into more languages. They're already out in several languages. Or if people want to take text out of this and adapt it for their own particular park systems, and it seems to me like Kenya has some great examples, please feel free to do so. This is open access material. And we'll be talking a little bit more about this and other efforts in the Protected Planet Pavilion immediately after this event. But please do think about this. Thank you.
Thank you. And perhaps, Andrew, one of your slides highlighted the partnerships with other government agencies. And I guess that's a real key in terms of communicating natural solutions to these. Can you provide a comment in terms of the challenges or the easiness of engaging these other organizations? Microphone. It's next to me.
Easing is another, I don't know if that's correct adjective. It's not been easy, but it's been interesting. Yes, we launched an alliance last year with several partners in order to coordinate different efforts in the face of climate change. And one of the challenges that we had is exactly about the message of climate change and how our usual message of biodiversity conservation wasn't getting through. So we did a little survey, and this is a short story, a survey of why biodiversity conservation message wasn't getting through and why the climate change message was getting through. And the end result of that small survey was that people's commodities were being affected by climate change in one way or another. Or they could be related to biodiversity conservation diminishing. So in that sense, that's at least how we adopted natural solutions as a linkage between commodities and biodiversity conservation. And in that alliance, that's the message that we were trying to say, and we're doing it. Biodiversity conservation affects your commodities, and it's linked obviously to climate change.
Thank you very much, Andrew. We are getting close to the top of the hour. For those of you who still have outstanding questions or wish to provide your input in terms of these 3 questions, there are forms on the site, and if you do want to fill out one of those forms and provide it to Karen over here, then I think that's another opportunity for us to receive your input. As you are moving out of the room, I would really encourage those of you who will be participating in the motions process to provide support for motion 112. And hopefully I wouldn't mind seeing a show of hands of those who will, based on today's workshop and those excellent presentations, who will be voting positively for this particular motion. We will.
There are copies of it on the side as well if you want to review it. Essentially calling for integration, mainstreaming of protected areas into climate change strategy.
Thank you very much for everyone's participation in the session. And again, especially I want to thank the speakers for the excellent presentations. Thank you.